Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I am filming this video the week before Thanksgiving and my whole family's coming in. I'm so excited. Obviously with COVID, I've not seen my family enough. If you are new here, I live in California. My family lives in Texas and I'm very close with my family. So I'm really excited to see them this week. They're coming up for the whole week. So it's gonna be great. But I'm also really excited to share the products that I'll be talking about in today's video. One of the products that I'll be sharing, I've actually been using for quite a while. So as you can tell from the title of this video, we're gonna be working with some SkinCeutical products, but a very powerful duo that I am so excited to share with y'all. SkinCeuticals is one of the best skincare brands out there. These are a little bit pricey, but when you're looking into SkinCeuticals products, you're not just buying a random skincare product hoping that it'll work. You are buying into the formulation, you're buying into the clinical studies that have gone on to create such a high quality product. These are medical grade, I mean top quality. I can't rave about them enough. If you've also watched my YouTube video on 10 skincare products I can't live without, SkinCeuticals makes it into that video because it's just a game-changing product. Also, if you've been with me for a really long time, one of my very early YouTube videos, I did a vitamin C skincare product that I can't live without, and that is the product we're actually going to be talking about in this video with a couple extra things. So if you're ready to learn about the products we're going to be talking about today, and honestly one of the best duos you could ever get for your skin, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now let's get right into this video. Alrighty, so the products I have today are available for a duo bundle purchase, so you can order these products together. It's a bigger bang for your buck than if you were to order them separately. So the two products I'm going to be talking about today are the CE Ferulic serum and the Hydrating B5 Gel. These two products are, again, absolute game changers in your skincare routine. I'm gonna go over how to use them. I'm gonna pull up their website because they have so much good information on their website about these products. I'll also link these below, of course. Y'all know every product I mention I will have linked below for y'all. And I also do have a discount code for these two products specifically, since they are a bundle right now, where if you spend a certain amount you can get an additional hyaluronic acid serum included in your bundle for free. So keep on watching to the end for that discount code. But let's go ahead and talk about these, and I'm also going to apply them in this video with you. Just a heads up on what's going on with my skin and what you should do before you apply these. You should use a cleanser and a toner and then put nothing else on. Then the next step should be these guys. So no creams, no other serums, no nothing. Just a nice clean palette to start off with, and then we will apply these guys. So let's talk about the CE Ferulic first, since this is the first thing you apply. As I just mentioned, all you want to do is cleanse and tone your face, and then use about 4 to 5 drops of this first. So I did just pull up the website because the website has very important information that I would totally suggest you guys go and read up on if you're interested in this, because it tells you everything you need to know. So the CE Ferulic acid is 15% pure vitamin C, the L-ascorbic acid. It provides visible anti-aging benefits, it brightens the skin, and it helps protect against oxidative stress. It has 1% vitamin E. This pure form of vitamin E neutralizes free radicals and replenishes the skin's liquids. And then it has 0.5% ferulic acid, which is a plant-based antioxidant. Ferulic acid neutralizes free radicals and enhances the antioxidant benefits and stability of vitamins C and E. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on. Funny little thing with this, it smells like burnt toast. It's really just like the science that you're smelling and the true formula that you're smelling, but it's not like the best smelling product. All right, now that that's on, I'm gonna go in with my Hydrating B5 Gel just to talk a little bit about that. So first thing, this has hyaluronic acid in it, which everybody knows is so good for your skin. This is capable of holding 1,000 times its own weight in water and the body's natural hydrator. And then of course it has vitamin B5 in it, which is an essential nutrient that promotes the skin's barrier's natural repair process. So this product really is for dehydration. That's what I've noticed it do most for me. My skin feels so plump and so bright and so full after I've used this consistently for a little while. I've been using this product specifically for about 3 weeks, and this is one of those products really similarly to the Floratin CF serum that is an instant difference. I wake up the next morning and I know whether I did or didn't put this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on right now. And this you can also use a couple of times per day. This is so good for your skin, and there's really no such thing as too much of this. Feels so good. This, when it is applied, almost feels like an oil. It feels like your skin's gonna be really like dewy and wet afterwards, but then it's not. Then it goes immediately into the skin. And right now it looks like I have almost nothing on my face. This also reduces the appearance of fine lines on the skin. It helps clear up signs of dehydration. It overall smooths the skin out a little bit. It brightens the skin. I mean, everything with the B5 gel is about brightening up the face and almost giving you a glow and making you look more youthful. The CE Ferulic that I put on earlier is all about the nutrients and the nutrition that your skin is going to have put on it before it's gonna look bright and glowy and plump from the B5 gel. So these two are a duo on Skin Store that you can purchase right now. I don't believe you can get them as a duo on the Skin Ceuticals website. So I think it's just like a perk that the Skin Store has going on. And I could not recommend these enough. Really, out of all the skincare videos I have filmed, this one and the one about the vitamin C serum that I filmed like 6 or 7 months ago with the Floratin CF stuff, I mean, they're like the two most important ones I filmed, honest to God, because these products are so good and beneficial. They're good on any age as well. I'm fairly young. Actually, my birthday's this week. I will be 25. I would consider that to be pretty young still. So I don't have a lot of, you know, aging signs yet. My skin has, you know, plenty of collagen, keeping it plump and full. But as you age, obviously that stuff kind of diminishes, and we need products like these to help counter that. And starting now at my age with products like these to prevent that from happening and to give my skin nutrients it would never get from anything else really is so important. So whether you're my age and you just want to start working on your skin to prevent the appearance of fine lines and dehydration and sunken in skin, or whether you are a little bit more mature and you want to get rid of things that have developed over time, I would 100% suggest Skin Ceuticals, like hands down. They are the most reliable skincare brand I have ever tried. I have not tried all of their products yet, so I can't say that they have the best everything yet, even though I pretty much have faith that they probably do. I just haven't tried everything yet, so I can't technically vouch for that yet. But for the 3 products I have tried from them, they have become must-have, all-time favorite products that I use every single day, that I swear by, that I would recommend for anybody, myself, my mom, my sisters, my girlfriends. These are the things that I would suggest to my best friends. So of course that's why I'm suggesting them to you, because we're all friends here. So I'm gonna go ahead and share a fun little discount code I actually have for this little bundle. So if you use my code Angelica and you purchase $200 or more of any Skin Ceutical products, this bundle together, by the way, is $211. So obviously we're over $200. You will get a free Skin Ceuticals Hyaluronic Acid Intensifier with any purchase over $200, which that Hyaluronic Acid Intensifier is $100. So you are getting an extra gift. It's the same full-size bottle. It's not like a little travel one. It's the same as the one you would buy full-size on Skin Store's website. And my code Angelica will give you that for free. So you are getting a $100 gift if you do spend over $200, which is awesome. Also, As I mentioned earlier, I'm filming this before Thanksgiving, so as the holidays come up, that would be a great gift for somebody, literally anybody, guy, girl, young, or old. We could all use better skin no matter what our age is, no matter who we are, we could all use better skin. So definitely take advantage of that code if you're interested in getting that free gift. I do not gain anything from that code. I just freaking love SkinCeuticals. So whenever I feel like making a video about them, I reach out to them and ask if they have any special incentive they can give me so that I can share it with you. I don't personally gain anything from that. That's just a gift from me and SkinCeuticals to you. So take advantage of that if you would like to get a free hyaluronic acid intensifier. So other than that, guys, I will link both the CE Ferulic and the Hydrating B5 Gel down below. I'm also gonna link my Floratin CF serum down below as well, because this thing, I've been using it for 6 months and it is so amazing. I mean, best skincare product on the planet. I said it. I know, that's a big claim. I said it though. It's that good. And I've been using these for obviously significantly less amount of time. And I have no doubt that they'll be right up there with my Floratin CF serum as one of my favorites very soon. So other than that, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a comment below. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.